Hello, I'm Troy Cox, Water Manager at Swartz Contracting. Today, Monday, February 15th, we received a call from our customer claimed that he had a water loss in his basement. After investigating a little bit and talking with the customer, he informed us that the water loss came from his washing machine utility room, which would be directly above this ceiling right here. Looking up above the ceiling, you can obviously see some of the water marks, the areas that are wet. And the first thing that you notice is also that this electrical light could be on here too. That's a main hazard immediately that we would notice. Water coming down from an electrical unit that's still on could cause us quite the problem. The next thing that we would do is look at the scope of the loss to try to see what areas are damaged and whatnot. One main problem, and one not really a problem but a difficult and the most difficult area to dry, is under the base plate of a wall. We use our moisture tester with a spatula attachment to test those areas. The normal saturation of an area of this nature would be at 10%. This area in general is almost completely saturated at that point. Another great measure of the humidity and the moisture content materials will be of the plaster or the drywall, in this case walls and areas there. This non-penetrating meter will show such area. This area in general here obviously measures at 100% saturation as well. We also take test of the temperature and the grains of every area that we dry. We test this regularly on a daily basis in multiple areas of the house, including the outside. Generally, we like to dry at a 48 grain per pound drying situation. It's 62 degrees in this basement now. We like to dry at a higher temperature of that as well. The next area that we would want to concentrate on would be the extraction process. We use an extreme extractor to do our extraction. After we properly extract all the wet carpets, the next thing nature would do would be to set dehumidifiers and also some air movers. The dehumidifiers basically can pull out up to 12 gallons of water per day on our dehumidifiers. We tend to monitor those. We monitor those daily as far as the efficiency and how much moisture they're taking out of the water. That's it for our presentation so far today. We appreciate your time. If we could be of any assistance to you, call us at Swartz Contracting, 419-331-1024.